nasema, will you choose me over and over again?
Ai mambo, mimi nishakuelewa. Tulia kwangu, I'm gonna take it from here. Nitakosa ndo upate, my baby. Tajinyima unenepe, my baby. Ukinikosea mimi ndo tasema pole, my baby. So now will you marry me, baby? Leo nimepatikana, nimepatikana. Nimetoka soko leo nimepatikana, nimepatikana. We mwanamke wewe, nimekupenda wewe. We mwanamke wewe, nimekuzimia wewe.
We mwanaume wewe, nimekupenda wewe. We mwanaume wewe, nimekuzimia.
With me here is what I bought from Carrefour Supermaket. It's a list of items worth 11,412. So I'll be showing you each and every item together with the price. This is the entire list, the items I bought. Okay, you can see this is a 10 kg. Joy Max maize flour. It is worth 675 shillings. It's 675 shillings. The next one is this tissue from Carrefour, 10 pieces. I bought 2 of them, this one and this one. One goes for 295 shillings. The next one is this rice, 5 kg. One packet is 1199 shillings, and I bought 2 of them. The next one is this Menengai cream soap. I bought 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one goes for 156 shillings. The next one was this Blue Band, 500 grams, which is for 209 shillings, and it comes with a small offer, a small one with on offer, which is 100 grams. So the 2 is worth 209. The next one is this Santa Maria spaghetti, 3 packed ones, 400 grams. For this one is 319 shillings. The next one is this tea leaves, 500 grams. The price is 230 shillings. The next one is this sugar, 5 kg, and it goes for 760 shillings. And then I got this Afia mixed fruit, 2 of them. I've already opened the other one. One goes for 195 shillings. It's 1.5 liters. The next one is this Fanta orange, 2 liters. The price is 169 shillings. Then we have this Indomie chicken flavor. It's on offer. 5 of them is 135 shillings, so I bought 2. One and this one which I've already opened. Then I bought this dollar flour, 2 kg. This is baking flour. Bought 2 of them. I have already opened the other one, and one goes for 167 shillings. So I bought 2 of them, 4 kgs. Then this peanut is worth 280 shillings. It's 400 grams. This one goes for 172 shillings, 172 bob. This one is 33 shillings. Salt is 45 shillings, 1 kg. Then I bought this Carson's baby, 500 grams. It is 89 shillings, and I bought 2. Then I bought this Hermes, 5 of them. One goes for 125 shillings. Then this Rena oil, 3 liters is 5 liters, sorry. 5-liter Rena oil goes for 1563 shillings. Then I bought this at 118 shillings. 16 pack. This one is just 45 shillings. This one goes for 285 shillings. 285 shillings. This glycerin is 110 shillings. This one goes for 300 shillings. The Ariel goes for 189 shillings. The Carson's baby oil was on offer at 184 shillings. This is 100 ml. So the total amount of all this is around 12,000 Kenya shillings. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.
Sina budi la niulize, ukushua ama una guess? For better for worse, hivyo ndo unasema. Will you choose me over and over again?
Ai mambo mimi nishakuelewa, tulia kwangu, I'm gonna take it from here. Nitakosa ndo upate my baby, tajinyima unenepe my baby. Ukinikosea mimi ndo tasema pole my baby. So now will you marry me baby? Leo nimepatikana, nimepatikana, nimetoka soko leo.